Okay, this next shot is called the Dirty Puerto Rican. The ingredients for the Dirty Puerto Rican are UV blue vodka, triple sec, Chambord, sour mix. You'll need a shot glass, a mixing cup, a strainer, and a jigger to measure out your alcohol. To make the Dirty Puerto Rican, we'll go ahead and add some ice to our mixing cup. We're going to use a third of a shot each of UV blue vodka, triple sec, Chambord, or any other black raspberry liqueur. And we'll just do a little splash of sour mix.
Just a wrapped up piece of gold coal, it would be worth the unwrapping. So what? You gotta fill
And that is a Dirty Puerto Rican.
do it.
Do you guys sauerkraut here?
Yeah, we can smoke around.
Do you make pizza with sauerkraut?
Tasty.
Good shit.